welcome to my new home. I'm so excited you're here. I've got a pie in the oven and coffee on the counter, so let's have a slice and take a walk around. Just follow me upstairs. So this is the second floor. As you can see from my balcony, there's so many beautiful things to look at. This is the living room. I apologize for the mess. We celebrated a birthday party this weekend. Happy birthday, Ken! Anyways, we need to clean up those decorations. This is my fireplace. I love to curl up in this chair with a good book that I found at Goodwill. There's so many to choose from. Next, we are taking a look at my washroom. I have this amazing shower, but the glass doors are really hard to keep clean, so if you have any tips on that, let me know. Also, I have a very large window in my bathroom, so like whoever built this house, I have some notes. Thank you so much for coming to tour my house. It was a pleasure to have you, and I can't wait to see you at the next house.